Let's get this chimney smoking. So this morning everything was good when we left there, and then I started drinking my coffee, and I'm like, bubble, bubble, bubble. Then when I turned that corner, I'm like, thank God. This is all comes right across the street. Okay. And when we were over there, he literally answers the phone. Hello, this is getting coffee with you? Ow. First thing for the day.
In there, we're gonna go tip it over.
Thank you, cat. Thank you, cat. Oh, it's right there. Final sighted on the back. Hi.
Let me see what we got. Grab my flashlight here. No, probably it's all tied into the furnace.
He had red brick underneath the other one.
Why?
I'm assuming it just lifted up. There was 4 red bricks underneath it.
I don't want no red brick on it.
That's nice, man.
You can at least get it out there, but I'll be I'm basically ready for flush.
You taking this?
I don't think so. I think so, but I see scratch marks on it, so I can try to cover it up. Down there, some big old bobcat. I'll take it.
Yeah, I wonder why they had that there.
Right now, up there. Up down.
You see? Slide away.
Well, it's got plenty of room on the sides. Hang on. Hang on. I'm gonna move it over to here.
Yeah, pressure.
Yeah.
So,
Pop that baby off of there.
yeah.
Tip stuck.
Yeah.
Because you bought that new one, now you're gonna
Need chain locks. Anything, yeah.
There's a pair of pliers. Here, try this screwdriver. This might be a little bit gooder.
Gooder.
There's your Sharpie, there, Philip.
Gonna be fun.
Yeah, we get up in the attic and grab the top.
Want to pull the
Yes,
blower
if you
motor
can
out?
Pull it up, we can yank the bottom out.
Yeah.
Well, you're gonna have to take this with you, because once you get up there, I'm closing that. Oh, I can't be over there to help you and lift that
No,
out,
if I
that
can
thing
get
down
it to
behind
drop,
you.
we'll be fine. I just gotta, I could pull the blower. Take it
You wanna
over.
lock me up here, make sure I have a sandwich. Hey, Philip.
Just be very careful picking up on that.
Hey, Philip, there's a light switch in a box just as you get up there, just near the floor.
He says there's a light switch in a
Yeah,
box.
it don't work. I shut the power off to the unit.
Oh,
It's all tied in.
that's a reach. Yeah, you can shut that.
I wish it was that easy.
Is all the power off? The whole house power off?
No, just what we're working on.
What are you doing?
What do you want me to do?
The duck board? Can't you get it from up there? Be very easy with it. Grab it from up there and pick up on it, Ryan. It only needs to come up a couple inches.
And down.
Gas valve.
Watch toes.
Got it. Alright.
You come out.
No, you can't. You're stuck up there all day. Alright, in truck.
And truck.
Don't let this thing fall off of you.
I got a hold of it.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
His cream puff, he called it.
Huh?
His cream puff.
Hey, that's a mint car. Right
Yeah, it is.
That's
Let him out.
Take measure time.
At least I won't sit on it.
Yeah, we're gonna.
to the top here. Well, with the flanger, it's 52 and a half, we'll say.
52 and a half. 56.
Throw it in from the street.
Need a vacuum cleaner.
It's right here at the corner.
I'm gonna get this cut and we'll do the flush.
Okay, I got my vacuum right here. I already took the water out of it.
Mercury Cougar.
I got my lines, they are open, ready to flush. So when you're ready, I'm ready. Got the unit covered. No, those are not needle. Oh, those are springy pliers, that's cool. Sorry. These are good. Tools here. There you go. Where's your flush? I see your nitro. Oh, here it is, right here.
Yeah.
Okay. Did they get your statement?
Flush. Got to do the flush.
Yes, sir. Okay. That's good? Let me take that.
You take what's on there. It's still on there? Yeah, it won't stick on that one.
All right, suction line whenever you're ready. Okay. Okay.
That's pretty clean.
I didn't get nothing out of it. It's a long line set. I still didn't get nothing out of it. Nothing but air. Okay.
That one yesterday was yucky.
Okay. Okay.
Here it comes.
That's good. I got flush out of it that time. Not the fittings, but the gray stuff that goes.
Keep running up to Ocala. You're gonna have some rearranging to do. Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't gonna be able
Yeah,
to
go
push
ahead
it.
and set it down.
There you go.
Am I needed in the attic for this?
No. Is there room up there to push that duct down?
No,
Okay.
hard,
Okay.
hard trunk
I
line.
didn't know. I was just
So
asking.
I'm gonna let you set this up. Save my shoulder one more day. Should fit in there without tilting it.
Okay.
And line up on that.
You're skinnier than I am, so you're gonna have to be over here. We're gonna lean it back.
Get closer. Be careful of grabbing the coil.
One on the back of the unit, one on the bottom of the unit. 1, 2, 3, up.
You set the bottom and burst. That unit fits.
Slide it in there.
Watch your fingers.
Comfortable? Okay, grab my T-step wire. I
Which
got the
one?
unit.
Which
Low
one?
voltage down bottom. See it? Okay, alright, slide her in.
Sweet. Sweet.
Alright, I got it. Let's take the screwdriver.
Yeah, you turned it a little bit more than what it was.
You went right?
Have one in here.
And the other ones didn't get wrapped in yesterday.
You got the bender. Where's the benders?
In the van.
Okay.
Probably gonna need the benders and the sweaters. that pin that tight. So, you can bend it like this. No fiddling.
You want a hand holding something or something?
Snug.
Oh, wow. 3/4.
Yep, 3/4.
This 3/4. I did do this long piece.
There's a 40 in there.
Just one of you? In the old chicken coop? I got pumpkins back there. Oh, kitty cat somewhere. Yeah, that's that one. I wonder what they got in that one.
You'll need to fill, if you're gonna leave that seal tight like that, you're gonna need to fill that with silicone.
Okay.
I don't want water getting down in it, you know.
He won't go, even if the tides are good. So
Have
he
y'all ever tried Palatka?
is that East Coast or West Coast?
East,
It's river.
it's East Coast.
It is East
Actually,
Coast.
St. John's River, East Coast.
I think not Mosquito Lagoon.
There's a lot of people do it over
North,
there.
north of that.
That's where I threw my shoulders out.
Copper's done.
Good. So when I get back,
Is it yucky?
oh yeah.
Wow. It's 20 years old. 20 years old of crap in the pipe. Let's go look at it. Ew. Slimy?
Build some pressure and let it do it again. All that stuff came out.
All that orange stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yep.
What is that? Looks like litter. Looks like hamster litter.
It's rough, flaky stuff. And he's still flushing stuff out of it.
Hmm.
See? Big old chunks. Still flushing.
Looks like hamster litter. Oh, wow.
Okay. Yeah, because you're still getting stuff out of it. Oh, yeah.
Hmm. Bunch of sediment. It's still coming out. Yeah, there's still stuff coming out. Hmm.
I'd say build pressure one more time, and I think it's been clear now.
Okay.
You still flushed more stuff out of it with that.
Yeah, they're still getting stuff. We want to keep going.
I'll show
Okay.
them what this is.
Okay.
This is what it looks like.
Mm-hmm.
And there's like a pound of it.
Oh, we got it. You can do the seam up top.
Got the side.
You don't even gotta do them with everything else on inside.
Yeah, it's doing real good on the inside. Just leave it the way it is. Well, no, I still gotta do the top. I couldn't do the top on the inside.
Alright, door's back on. Everything is good. And this. And there too. Forgot something. What, smoke up there? Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah, that's pretty good.